Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, if you are looking to work online from home, start like a home-based online business, you want to work from anywhere, this video is for you because I'm going to show you how you can do that. I'm doing it. I'm working from home and I'm recording this video at 4 a.m. So you work anytime you choose. If you are seeing me for the very first time, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm based in Virginia, USA. I'm actually an American citizen, but I'm originally from Uganda, East Africa. If you want to know more about me, I have a pinned video on this channel, which is the channel trailer. I say more about myself. But for this one, let's focus on, I'm already doing it 100%. Or I just did this starting like 2 months ago. I'm working online 100%. So I have an idea what I'm talking about. Now, if you want to do this 100% like the way I'm doing it, you're going to involve in some kind of thing that pays high commissions, right? Oh, I do affiliate marketing. That's what I want to suggest to you. You just promote other companies' products and you make commissions. So I'm introducing a course called, or a program called Legendary Marketer. It's a business builder challenge you start with, but it's you learn how to set up your own business online. Different kinds. You see it everywhere. People are doing it, but it's the best training, okay? And the way it works, you start off, by the way, the company was started by a gentleman, his name is Dave Sharp, and he's the CEO and founder, right? Actually, they're winning awards recently. They are like really good. I say they are really good because they keep up to date. They keep it up to date. Like all these TikToks, whatever is happening, they're updating every week. So it's one of the best programs around. And what happens, it starts off with a challenge, 15 days. You pay only $7 and you go through it. So around day 3, they're going to assign you a business advisor. And this advisor is going to have a one-on-one with you on Zoom. So they get to know your situation. And they're going to ask you about your person. What are you trying to create? What are you trying to achieve? How much money are you looking to make? So, because remember, your goal is to work from home. So maybe how much would you have to make to replace your income that you are making right now? But at the beginning, you don't replace it immediately, but that would be your goal. So you come up with a plan with the advisor, they advise you. And what I've seen when I send people to that challenge, when they ask them to call an advisor to make an appointment, they don't do it. So please, you have to do it, day 3. Because when you pay $7, they're going to give you an email and a password, right? They send you to session 1, day 1. Then you do day 2. By day 3, they're going to ask you to schedule an appointment. So please do that. If you don't do that, they'll stop you right there. You make sure you talk to them, they understand, then they're going to start advising you, because every day there is something they're asking you to do. You keep updating. Now, at some point, please save this video, because the way I'm setting up this video, I've been talking about this program a lot, but I was doing it differently. I was asking you to opt in and put in your email, and then I show you there. I'm not doing it today like that. I'm just sending you straight. So when I send you straight, you may not remember who sent you there. You may have some questions and no one to answer them. So please, let me at this point give you my email right here on the screen. info@honestsource.com. My name is Sherifa. Write those down because I'm not asking for your email. Normally we'll ask for email, but this time I'm choosing not to do it. I want to not waste your time. I send you just straight, okay? If I put in opt-in pages and all this, no. Go straight and see what we're talking about. So please record the email and my name so that when you need me, you can send me an email, right? And save this video if you can. So what happens, this advisor is going to give you options. So if you want to take this to the next level, the real automated business online, they're going to ask you to buy the blueprints. They're called blueprints, business blueprints. And they come in 4, it's like 4 in 1, depending what you want to do. For me, I bought the blueprints, but I'm using only one. I'm using the affiliate marketing one, high ticket. So They have high ticket affiliate marketing. That's the first one. Number 2, digital marketing. I think you see people online who are saying, I'm a digital marketer and those, right? And then there is the coaching and consulting. Maybe you're a coach. Or another one, maybe you have some knowledge you want to share. You set up your own course online, stuff like that. The other one is events and mastermind. There are people who specialize in putting together events. So, but those are all 4 in 1. I have to tell you what happened because most people don't mention this. Those 4, they cost $2,500. At this point, let me mention, this is not for everyone. This is high ticket stuff. This is big money. You put in the money, you expect to get out money too. Like those same, because for example, when you pay the $2,500 and later you come and someone comes and enter this whole program, also they want to set up something online, they pay $2,500, you make $1,000. You see, we are talking high ticket affiliate marketing, high ticket income, right? It's not for everyone. It's available in USA, in Canada, in Australia, and countries in Europe. In Africa, only South Africa. So please, please, many of you are watching me, but you don't qualify for this. You know, some of you, I already in my WhatsApp number, you know that I have other things I share with you that are international. This one is not. If you try to go pay your $7, you see that they're going to reject your card. You can't pay. So when you see that you can't pay, that means your country is not included. And I already mentioned it right here. So if you're in those countries, especially if you're in USA, that's for you. So you connect with me. I'll guide you. All the others if you want to try. So if you choose this $2,500 is going to come later, like when you are done with the channel, much later, after I meet the advisor. But right now, right below, I have 2 things happening. One is if you want to watch Dave the founder, explaining all this, he takes you through a process talking about his life and how he created this, right? But if you don't want that, I'm putting another link that takes you to paying $7. If you're one of those people who don't want to hear stories and all that, because you're going to meet Dave. Every day he comes live on if you choose to pay the $7, you're going to be invited to the Facebook group. Monday to Friday, they are there every single day talking to students. It's a great community. If you hear the stories, in fact, that's the main thing about this. Because the other courses, you buy the course, but you're alone. You're alone on your computer, but this one is a real community. Every day, they are meeting every day, and they're talking to people who are doing it, people like us, who are already doing, they're sharing what they're doing. And then if you buy the blueprints, they meet. Right now, I haven't even followed them much because, you know, for me, I'm doing my thing. I'm done with the training, but I think they're coming every day. Every day, the blueprints, and they're updating everything that's going on. So that's great because you could buy like a TikTok course, but TikTok course is going to expire because things change all the time. The training changes. So they're always updating. They're always updating. Now, if you don't have $2,500 at that point when they ask you, and you know for sure that you won't have it like in the next month, this is what I suggest. When you go to pay the $7, they're going to talk about something called the Marketers Club. The Marketers Club. They're introducing it at the beginning when you are paying the $7. So write this down. If you can afford $30 every month, I think it's $29.95. I do that. I'm in the Marketers Club. Take that because that one is affordable, right? That one trains every Monday. So when you're in the Marketers Club, you're going to have enough knowledge to start going even before you get into the blueprints. But the blueprints, that's where the community is. That's where everything's set up. So connect with me. That's the right thing because I'll make this video too long. If this is maybe confusing, once you get into the challenge, then you understand these things I'm saying. Or once you start in the process of buying. Remember, Marketers Club, they're going to offer it to you at the beginning. So if you can pay $7 and $30, I think $29.95, do that. And you can cancel anytime, by the way. I think they give you 30 days to cancel this. The other one is monthly. The $27 is one time. But the $29.95, if you choose to continue the Marketers Club, that's monthly. So every Monday we meet and we have the coach. They're going to answer your question, the teachers, all the current things, and you find all the training since they started like almost 3 years ago. all the training that have happened, they are there. You have access to them. So that can take you at some point to continue until you are able to get the blueprints. I think the blueprints, if you really want to work full time, like the way I'm doing it from home, you need those. That's later, because that's when you get the good money. But by the way, I didn't mention, when you choose to finish the 15-day challenge, right? Apply. If you don't get into the blueprints, at least apply to become an affiliate. An affiliate, because they made that free. We used to pay every month to be an affiliate. Now they made it free. At least start with that. Then they don't stop you from promoting. You can promote this whole program, and even people could buy the blueprints when for you you're just promoting. You don't have them. You don't have them yet, but you can promote, and other people could buy, and you still make their $1,000. I don't want to promote this to say like it's just about making money. It's about training people to create businesses online. Anyone who has a setup business online, they're always asking for an email. They're always automating things. So that's what we mean. They have the funnels and all that. So you cannot get those if you don't know what you're doing, right? Someone has to show you how to do this. That's the training, okay? So if you are serious about this, and you at some point you could do it, I would say, right now, please go pay $7 US, and start the challenge. Start it today. Once you pay and they send you an email with your login, go in and start. Every single day you're going to do 111. When they say now call set up an appointment to meet your advisor, do it. And please write my email and connect with me if you have any questions. But if you are one of those who's ready, you are really, really ready, you are tired of this 9 to 5, want to do this, you don't need me, because they're going to take care of you. You're going to, when you meet the advisor, you're going to talk to them, and then you buy the blueprints and start talking to all the girls. It's mostly ladies. You need to know more women than men are doing this. I don't know why, but they are so everywhere. You see them on Instagram. You see them, the mothers. They are loving it. They're making serious money, and you could do the same. At some point, you would quit your job. It takes some training, though, some setting up, doing all this. But you can choose not to be on YouTube. You could be on TikTok. You could be on Instagram. LinkedIn is big too, right, these days. But for me, I like YouTube. I'm more comfortable right here. But I'm everywhere too. So connect with me. We can advise you how to proceed. But the community is large. You're going to find so many people to learn from, okay? So that's my message today. Save this video, please. Save my email. I gave it only one time. I'm not repeating it here. I gave it to you already. And my name is Sherifa. I'm in Virginia, USA. And I'm Sherifa Nakalema. You can note the name. If you search for me online, I'm everywhere. But please don't try to communicate with me in DMs and no, because I don't respond to all of them. I don't see many of them. Use the email. That's the one I track. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this. And I want you to join me. The freedom to work anytime you choose, to be with your children, to be with your family, to travel anytime you choose. You could work from anywhere. After I set this up, all you need is your phone. Because with your phone, you can do everything. Can you imagine? Because you're going to set up the system, they'll be automated. All you need is maybe to post a little video here, a little thing, and fun video. You're traveling and you're sending it to your followers, and it's fun. So, do it. Go do the challenge. Below, there are 2 links. One takes you to Dave. I'll say watch Dave. Or if you don't want to watch Dave, to introduce you. And then he'll send you to the $7. But if you want to go straight to the challenge, then I put it down here. Pay $7 US. Remember, it's not for everyone. Please don't waste your time if you are not in those countries. If you're in the developing countries, connect with me. I'll show you something else. That's for you. Also, different, but good. Okay, thank you all so much. Like I always end these, I say, take very good care of yourself. Take very good care of your families. Take very good care of your health. Take a step to a better you. Getting onto this will support you, okay? Bye for now. Add a comment for me.